back for more Prometheus tutorial. Today we're going to look at profiles. Profiles are a way of storing configurations so that you can change configs on the fly. You can look at the same astrological data in different chart formation. You can look at it in different house systems, coordinate systems. We're going to look at that. We're going to understand what profiles are and how to use them, and then we're going to follow this video up. My next video in this series is going to be about how to create and edit profiles, custom profiles that you're going to use yourself. So let's jump in here and just see what's cracking. Right, so we have the transits up now. That'll work. First, if we want to understand what a profile is, we want to have the chart tab at the top left selected. And we want to go over to the right and we want to select astrology settings right here. We can also hit F10 from anywhere in the program to do that. And that brings up this menu, the astrology settings menu, and chart profiles is the first setting. So first of all, what we're looking at here is the information, the configuration information that a profile will store. So a profile is a way of accessing a quick config, and what we can config is the zodiac, the house system, the coordinates, the lunar nodes, and the rulerships. So we're going to cancel out of here for now. And what we're going to do is look at how to use profiles. If I right click on the chart, the third option down allows me to apply a profile. So right now this shows me that I have a Zodiac 13 birth chart profile applied. But say I want to see, compare this to the tropical. Say we have this data, well, Sun is at 0 degrees and 4 minutes, Gemini in this birth chart. So one thing we can do with profiles is we can apply a profile. We'll apply the traditional profile, and this is going to look at the chart, same data, same info, but we're looking at it now in a tropical zodiac with an even house system. If I right click and go to apply the profile, I can look at traditional. That's going to keep the same zodiac, this sort of a tropical zodiac, and instead it's going to change the house system. So you can see that this changed to porphyry, and now I'm looking at it in different house systems. One of the utilities of this is, for example, let's say I want to generate a chart. Now I'm here and say I want to generate nakshatra lunar mansions, okay? Well, you would think it would be that easy, but let's take a quick look here, because we didn't change profiles. So this is going to tell us that Saturn is in the nakshatra Shravana, okay? But let's check this out. Really quickly, let's apply a profile of Vedic, because this will lock us into a Lahiri house system, which is the house system that the nakshatras are based on. So we've got to apply the Lahiri profile or a Vedic profile if we want to get accurate nakshatra data. Now when we go down, check out the nakshatras. Well, what we see is that Saturn isn't in, I forget where it was, but it's in Dhanishta. It's in Dhanishta, the richest one now. And that's always going to be accurate when we're running nakshatra charts. It's always going to be the case that we want to apply a Lahiri profile. So that's one thing that everybody's Prometheus should come with, a Vedic profile, and that's one thing that it's really good for. Alright, friends. As you can see, I've created a lot of profiles because I know how I like to look at charts, and some of these are customized for my specific use. In an upcoming video, we'll look at how to create and edit profiles. This little video just wanted to explain how to understand profiles, it's kind of what they are, and explore their basic utility with a little example there. Super cool feature within Prometheus. We'll see you soon for that next video on how to make your own and start getting a little more prehensile within this whole thing. All right, friends. Till then, ciao.